Let's make another evil equation. Ah yes, nothing like cooking up some foul math in the mad laboratory. I love using the dark powers of mathematics to create insane looking compilations of numbers and symbols which seem like they could belong in a crazy physics textbook. Of course, the reality is that they always add up to something simple, just making a bunch of fluff and puff. For my next critter, I decided to start with a derivative. As for my initial function, I thought sine x would be fun to use. The result of this derivative is of course cos x. So far so good. Let's now make our critter slightly interesting by having the sine x divided by x squared. Using the quotient rule, we get x times cos x minus 2 times sine x over x cubed. Nothing amazing, just some basic calculus. But our equation is starting to look fancier. Okay, let's make it a little bit more scary. My typical move is to divide the first expression by the result, like so. This lets us move this little x to the top, right here. And while this thing is starting to look nice, it of course is simply equal to 1. That's right, just another dumb way to write negative e pi I. Alright, we're doing good. But I do want to make this thing more interesting. So I thought of adding another one of those in the numerator. This makes our result into 2. And it also gives us something to work with. Now here comes the tricky part. I already have a derivative here. So I thought it would be neat to change this into an integral of some sort. We already know that this is equal to this, so we can work with that. One way to make our integral is to take the derivative of this thing, which gives us this. And so now, if we put this inside here, we get back our original result. And presto, we have a derivative and an indefinite integral side by side. And of course, both of them are equal to the same thing. We can also pull out this negative just to be a little bit more tidy. And here we go, a fancy pants monster that is equal to 2. Now, at this point, I'm kind of satisfied with my creation, but I do like to make my equations quite a bit more evil than this. I'm especially not impressed with those trig functions down here. Just a little bit too boring for me. I fortunately know about these crazy looking infinite product formulas. I found them on Wikipedia. It definitely has a bunch of fun math jargon to enjoy. So we can just replace the x cos with this thing. And also we can replace the 2 sine x with this. Much better. Our creature is looking rather scary. I also decided to factor out these x's. I rather put them up here. This reduces this one into x squared. And for the other, I just snuck this one here and gave it a power of negative 1. And here we are, an impressive evil looking equation. Imagine seeing this on a calculus test. Ah yeah, another fun math puzzle. But you know what? As crazy as this thing is, it only results in 2. 2 is a fine number, unique in its own way, but just a little bit too boring in my opinion. Let's make this thing a little bit more evil. I decided to multiply it by 34.5. That's right, giving us the infamous 69. Now this is a fun sneaky number. Who doesn't like the old 69? But now this 34 thing looks kind of out of place. No worries, I'll just change it into this little summation. It blends in much better now. And here we finally are, another fantastic beast from the dark laboratory of cursed mathematics. I should definitely make another painting with this thing. God, look at it. Summation, product notations, this elegant contrast of a derivative and the integral. I do enjoy creating these ridiculous things. If you did enjoy this, please share, like, and subscribe. Check out my other videos, you know the drill. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.